Because of all the current work on developing coronavirus vaccine, I thought it might be of interest to learn more about clinical trials. A clinical trial is a research study conducted in human beings. The goal is to determine whether new treatments, such as vaccines, are safe and effective. Prior to human testing, new therapies are tested in the laboratory and in animals. The most promising therapies are moved to human clinical trials. As a treatment progresses through a clinical trial, it moves through phases 1 to 4. Phase 1 trials generally include small numbers of participants, generally 6 to 10, healthy volunteers, or very sick patients without other treatment options. The goal of this phase is to determine how well the drug is tolerated and to get an idea of its safety. If the drug passes phase 1, it moves to phase 2. Phase 2 trials are generally performed on 20 to 300 patients. Phase 2 studies are designed to begin to evaluate the efficacy as well as safety of the treatment. This phase of the trial is often used to determine if different dosages of the treatment have different effects. Multiple phase 2 studies may be conducted to test the treatment in a variety of patient populations or indications. Phase 3 clinical trials are carried out on groups of 300 to 3,000 or more people. Phase 3 trials continued to evaluate safety and efficacy of the treatment. Large numbers of patients help to confirm this safety and efficacy. The new therapy may be compared with other available treatments or be tested in combination with other treatments. Optimum dosages are obtained in this phase of the study. Phase 4 is also known as post-marketing surveillance trials. Phase 4 studies take place after the treatment has been authorized, for example, by the FDA. During this phase, safety and efficacy continue to be evaluated. In this phase, the treatment may be compared with or combined with other therapies. Subpopulations of patients may be studied in this phase. Long-term effects of the treatment may be evaluated in this phase as well. Less common side effects of the treatment may be detected in this phase. Clinical trials should be guided by certain ethical principles, which include respect, justice, non-malfeasance, and beneficence. Respect for patients is shown by getting their informed consent to participate in the study. Justice is shown by ensuring trust that the results of this study benefit the community, avoid exploiting vulnerable populations, and includes individuals likely to benefit. Non-malfeasance is the duty to cause no harm. Beneficence is demonstrated by a thorough risk to benefit assessment of the study.